Hello everyone, this is my review of the Tech Pico hood lift struts on my truck. Instead of dealing with the factory hood prop rod, I now have gas spring supports that lift the hood smoothly and keep it open securely. No more fidgeting or manually holding it. The build quality is also solid. The brackets are made from thick steel with a textured black finish, making them look rugged and durable enough to withstand outdoor use. Because it utilizes factory mounting points, no drilling was required, making installation much cleaner. Another win. Better access to the engine bay. With the hood held up higher and steadier, I can reach tools, add fluids, or work on stuff without the prop rod in the way. For regular maintenance, this upgrade really changed the experience. If I'm being sincere, there are a couple of things to note. Please ensure you check the fit for your specific model year, as this is designed for the 2024 to 25 Tacoma and 2025 plus 4Runner models. Although the installation is bolt-in, you'll still need basic hand tools in about 30 minutes, so budget accordingly. Overall, if you drive one of the compatible trucks and you're looking to upgrade the hood support mechanism for smoother access and a more finished look, this is a perfect choice. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.